Hi there, welcome to HUSONDY. My name's Ben. In this video we're checking out this brand new wireless charging station. We'll also be doing a giveaway at the end of the video, so hang around till then. Okay, so we've been sent these portable wireless charging stations from SwanScout. As part of the doing the review, I asked if we could do a giveaway of one of the devices, so they sent us two. So these are what they say, they're a portable power station for charging your phone, your watch and your earbuds all at the same time. This hopefully is folded up inside so you can take it travelling with you. So if you're going into hotels or just generally travelling or going on holiday, you could take this with you as an all-in-one charging station for your phone, watch and earbuds. So what we'll do an unboxing first, and then I'll do the details of the giveaway after. But this will be a nice quick video showing you the product, nice unboxing, and then the most important bit, the giveaway at the end. Okay, as we're giving one of these away, I'll put one to one side, won't touch that. That'll be shipped off to the lucky winner of the giveaway. So we'll unbox this one, check it out, get it plugged in, see what it's like, and we'll actually use it. So we'll charge my watch and my phone at the same time, hopefully. I don't have any earbuds that are compatible with this. I don't have the newest ones that have got the charging capability. So we'll just have to do the phone and the watch. But that should be good enough. So let's jump inside this straight away. Let's get on with it. So inside this box, we should hopefully have a little warranty card, instruction book, charging device itself, which is folded up, so this is portable. And also in here, we've got the power brick and the USB type A to USB type C cable. So everything you need in the box to get going. So let's not hang about, let's have a look at it, let's see what it's like. So folded down, probably the same thickness as kind of like that battery pack I've got there. Probably the size of two phones folded together really. But this should hopefully just fold up, which it does. So it's got quite a strong hinge on it there, so you could probably lay it flatter if you wanted to. But on the back of there, you've obviously got the little flip up bit for the actual watch itself to sit on. So there you go, that is it there, everything in the box. So there's a pad on the back of it there, which is for the heads, for your earbuds, which I said also we don't have, so I won't be able to try that out. So let me get things plugged in, let's charge things up, see if it works, and hopefully we can charge the watch and the phone at the same time. Okay, so I've currently got this plugged into a power battery pack, so I don't have to plug it into the wall, so we can still do it here. So on the front of it now, hopefully you can see it on camera, maybe on this one, it's got the time on the front of it, which is defaulted to the wrong time. So the instructions are really clear in terms of how to do it. There's a set time button, which you just press and hold on the side there. So I'll do that now, so I should be able to press and hold it. And we can then change, there we go. So at the moment today, it is exactly 5:30 PM. So it might be in 24 hour, no, it's in PM now. So we've got 5, and then we've got, go down to 30. Okay, so that's the time set, so that should go back to the time now. So that's easy. So not only is it actually a charger for your phone, watch and earbuds, but it's also kind of a side of table clock, basically, on your bedside table. There is another button on the front which changes the brightness, so you might not pick this up on there, but let me try it anyway. So you've got dim, middle, high, off. So you can turn it off if you don't want that on overnight, which is quite a good little touch. Only other things on there is a couple of buttons to do the settings, etc. There's also some rubber feet there to hold your phone so it doesn't slip. So that's everything really. So what we'll do is we will just try and charge. Okay, so let's try and charge with it. So first of all, I'll try my watch. So let's drop this on the back of there. So it has detected it. You'll hopefully be able to see it spinning green there. So that now is charging my watch. So phone-wise, let's try the phone. This is in a bit of it's in a MagSafe case. So let me just take it out of the case because it might not be compatible with the case. Let's give it a go. So let me pop it in now. Let me turn it round. The watch is still charging on there. So we'll drop my phone in. Let's turn the screen off, see if it works. Okay. Okay. So there is a button on the side. I didn't read the instructions properly. So at the moment there is a little green icon with a phone symbol. If I press the power button, that stops it charging. So watch, if I press the button now, that kicks in the charging. So I've got fast wireless charging on there as well. So it's not only charging, it's actually fast wireless charging. So you can see there, hopefully now I've got the phone and the watch charging on there now, with the clock still ticking away there, with the two little symbols to say my watch and my phone are charging. Let me hold that up to that camera so you can see that hopefully. So that's everything I've got charging anyway. Okay, last thing I want to do, just with the actual charger, my watch is still charging away there nicely. I've put my phone back into the case now. So now I don't have to do it with the button. I think I should be able to charge it. So let me drop that on. So by doing that, it's now charging. Hopefully you pick that up on that screen there. So again, we've got fast wireless charging. Again, let me do it. I can press the side button, which turns charging off. That's not charging now. Press that charge button again, and that starts kicking in again. So we've got wireless, fast wireless charging. So it's really, really good. You've got fast wireless charging. So yeah, so there you go. It's powered with a battery pack as well. So if you really are on the go and you want to charge both things at once, you could get this out quite easily and charge. But obviously it does come with the power adapter or power brick, so you can plug that into a wall. So everything you need is there. So let me just show you what we'll do. Let me take my phone off. Let me take the watch off. So let me just show you dismantling it. So that's literally watch into there, unplug from there, shut down, and that can go in your pocket, no problem whatsoever. So that there, let me just show you, it's kind of smaller than my phone in terms of the footprint, but it's probably 2 phones thick. If I go to that camera, perhaps you can see that there. So nice and portable, really go in your bag really, really easily, even in your pocket if you really wanted to. So overall, really, really good. I guess you could as well, you don't have to have it like that, you could have it flat. You could charge it flat as well. Let me see if that works. Okay, yeah, it does. So you can lay it down flat as well, and that will charge flat. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but yeah, overall really good. Works straight out of the box, no problems whatsoever. Everything included to get going. So really great product. Okay, so we've done the product now. We reviewed it. It's all working fine. Obviously, really, really good. This will look great on the bedside table, or if you're traveling, like I say, and you want to charge your phone and you watch at the same time, all in one device. Really, really cool. So this product is available on Amazon if you want to buy it yourself. But as I mentioned earlier, we've got another one to give away to one lucky winner. So what we'll be doing is just a random giveaway to this product. So from the date of this video, which today is what day is it today? 12th of June, I'm recording this today. So what we'll aim to do is a giveaway at the end of June. So once this video is released, hopefully in the next couple of days, I'll put all the information in the description anyway. But all you'll need to do is like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below this video. So comment is key, so I've got your information around your comment. But you need to like the video, subscribe, and comment. Comment with whatever you want to comment with. Just you know, entry, or I'd love the charging station, whatever you want really. The other one is exactly the same. It's black. This one, they are designed for different types of phones in terms of its size. Obviously, this is for Samsung phones, so you've got the Samsung charger on the front, which you could do any kind of wireless charging. But the one on the back is obviously for Samsung watches and for earbuds on the bottom. So if you've got a Samsung phone or another phone that would charge on this, I'll put information below to actually the product so you can check it out. We're doing the giveaway kind of early July, and one lucky winner will receive this. I'll pay for postage, so all you need to do is enter. So yeah, hopefully you've liked the video anyway. So if you have liked it and you want to enter, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike. Let me know in the comment section why. Any questions about this, any questions about the giveaway, any questions about anything else, drop that in the comment section. I'll reply to any questions and comments. And if you want to follow the Houston DIY journey and you want to enter the giveaway, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.